Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Now, Krishna is addressed here Achyuta. Achyuta means fallen. And Achyuta means not fallen. Just like we are fallen. We are fallen conditioned souls. In this material world, we have come with a enjoying spirit, therefore we are fallen. If one keeps his position rightly, he does not fall. Otherwise, he is degraded. That is fallen condition. So, all the living entities within this material world, beginning from Brahma down to this small, insignificant ant, they are all fallen conditioned souls. Why they are fallen? Krishna bhuliya jeev bhogavancha kare, pasete maya tare japotiya dhare. Fallen means when the living entities are under the clutches of this material energy, that is called fallen. Just like a man, when he is under police custody, it is to be understood that he is a criminal. He is fallen. He has fallen down from good citizenship. Similarly, we are all parts and parcels of Krishna. Mamaimangsa jiva bhuta. So, as part and parcel, our position is to live with Krishna. Just like this is my finger, part and parcel of my body. The finger must remain attached with this body. When this finger is cut off and fallen, although it is finger, it is no longer as important as it was formerly when it was attached with this body. So, anyone who is not attached with the service of the Supreme Lord, he is fallen. This is the conclusion. But Krishna is not fallen. Krishna, because he comes to reclaim us, yada yada hi dharmasya glani bhavati bharat, abhuttanam adharmas tadatmanam srijami aham. Krishna says that I appear when there is discrepancies in the occupational duties of the living entities. Dharmasya glani bhavati. We don't translate dharma as religion. Religion, in the English dictionary, it is a kind of faith. Faith can be changed. But dharma is a word which cannot be changed. If it is changed, it is to be understood artificial. Just as the water. Water is liquid, everyone knows. But sometimes water becomes hard, very hard. Ice. But that is not the natural position of water. Artificially, on account of excessive cold, or by artificial means, the water becomes solid. But the real position of water is liquidity. So, when we are detached from the service of the Lord, this is also unnatural. Unnatural. Natural position is that we must be engaged in the service of the Lord. That is our natural position. Therefore, the Vaishnava Kavi says that Krishna bhuliya jeev bhogavansha kare. When a living entity forgets Krishna, forgets Krishna's position, Krishna says, Bhoktaram Jagadabhasam Sarvaloka Maheswaram. I am the proprietor, I am the enjoyer. This is the Krishna's position. He never falls down that position. Krishna is enjoyer. He keeps always that position. He never falls down. He never comes to the position of being enjoyed. That is not possible. If you want to bring Krishna on the position of being enjoyed, then you are defeated. Being enjoyed means keeping Krishna in front. I want to get some profit of sense gratification. That is our unnatural position. Krishna will never agree. Krishna will never agree. Krishna cannot be enjoyed. He is always enjoyed. He is always the proprietor. So Krishna bhuliya ji means when we forget this position of Krishna, that he is the supreme enjoyer, he is the supreme proprietor. This is called forgetfulness. As soon as I think that I am enjoyer, I am proprietor, this is my fallen state. Krishna bhuliya jeev bhogavansha kare. When we, there, japotiya dhare, maya, immediately maya captures. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.